What if you could save money consistently without tracking every expense, using spreadsheets, or feeling financially stressed? If you hate budgeting, you're not bad with money, you just need a smarter system. In today's saving planning video, we reveal a simple, automatic saving plan designed for people who hate traditional budgets. Learn how to automate savings, manage personal finances effortlessly, and build financial stability without complicated math. This stress-free money management strategy helps Americans grow wealth, reduce financial anxiety, and create consistent savings habits. Let's simplify your finances and start building real financial freedom the easy way. Why most budgets fail, especially in America? Most Americans quit budgeting within the first 90 days because traditional budgeting feels restrictive and unrealistic. Personal finance plans that rely on tracking every dollar demand constant discipline, and with rising inflation, rent or mortgage payments, car loans, student debt, groceries, and monthly subscriptions, money management quickly becomes overwhelming. The real problem isn't a lack of willpower. It's the lack of an automated savings system. Financial success in the US requires smart money automation, not daily stress. What if building savings and achieving financial stability didn't require constant effort, but instead worked automatically in the background? The reverse budget strategy pay yourself first method. The reverse budget, also known as the pay yourself first strategy, is a powerful personal finance method that simplifies money management. Instead of saving what's left at the end of the month, you automatically transfer savings first. For example, if your monthly income is $4,000, you move $600 15% into savings immediately, leaving $3,400 for bills and guilt-free spending. Simple money flow. Income gives savings first, gives bills, gives flexible spending. This automated savings plan flips traditional budgeting upside down and builds wealth consistently. It reduces financial stress, increases savings discipline, and creates long-term financial stability without tracking every dollar. The 3-account money system simple setup for Americans. The 3-account money system is a stress-free personal finance strategy that simplifies money management and boosts savings. Open 3 accounts: a bills account for recurring expenses, a savings and investments account for long-term goals, and a spending account for daily expenses. Each paycheck is automatically divided into these accounts, creating a controlled cash flow without complicated budgeting. No need to track every coffee, grocery, or subscription. This system reduces financial stress, prevents overspending, and builds consistent wealth. For Americans seeking financial freedom, the 3-account system makes saving, investing, and spending simple, structured, and fully automated. The 50-30 is a 20 budget rule simplified for real life in America. The 50-hour 30-20 rule is one of the most popular personal finance strategies in the US. It divides your after-tax income into 3 simple categories: 50% for needs, rent, utilities, groceries, insurance; 30% for wants, dining out, entertainment, subscriptions; and 20% for savings and debt repayment. This balanced budgeting method supports financial stability while allowing lifestyle flexibility. But here's the smart twist: if saving 20% feels overwhelming, start with just 5%. Building wealth is about consistency, not perfection. Small automatic savings create momentum, improve money habits, and gradually increase financial security without stress or burnout. Automation is your secret weapon for financial freedom. If you want consistent savings and long-term wealth building, automation is your secret weapon. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account, automatic bill payments to avoid late fees, and auto-investing into a Roth IRA, 401k, or low-cost index funds. This simple personal finance strategy removes emotion from money decisions and builds financial discipline without daily effort. When your money moves automatically, you eliminate overspending triggers and decision fatigue. Automated investing also takes advantage of compound interest, helping Americans grow wealth steadily over time. Smart money automation turns financial goals into predictable, stress-free systems that work in the background. The no-guilt spending strategy for stress-free money management. The no-guilt spending strategy is a powerful personal finance mindset that reduces financial stress and prevents binge spending. Once your automatic savings, investments, and bills are covered, you can spend the remaining money freely, without shame or overthinking. Why? Because you've already paid your future self first. This budgeting method improves financial discipline while protecting your lifestyle. Instead of feeling restricted, you gain control and confidence in your spending habits. For Americans seeking financial freedom, this balanced money strategy creates sustainable wealth building while eliminating guilt-driven money decisions and impulsive overspending. Emergency Fund Blueprint for Financial Security. An emergency fund is the foundation of smart personal finance and financial stability in America. Start with a $1,000 starter emergency fund to cover small, unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Then gradually build toward 3 to 6 months of living expenses for full financial protection. For example, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, your emergency savings goal should be $9,000, $18,000. This safety net prevents reliance on high-interest credit card debt and personal loans during financial emergencies. Building an emergency fund reduces financial stress, increases peace of mind, and protects your long-term wealth building strategy. Long-term wealth strategy for Americans. Building long-term wealth in America starts with consistent investing and smart retirement planning. Focus on low-cost S&P 500 index funds. Contribute enough to get your full 401k employer match-free money, and invest in a Roth IRA for tax-free retirement growth. This diversified investment strategy supports compound interest and long-term financial independence. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Even investing $200 per month at an average 8% annual return can grow into substantial wealth over 20 to 30 years. Consistent investing, retirement accounts, and index fund strategies are key to achieving financial freedom and generational wealth. If you hate traditional budgeting, stop forcing a system that doesn't fit your lifestyle. Instead, build an automated money system that creates consistent savings, smart investing, and long-term financial freedom. Saving money doesn't require suffering, it requires structure, strategy, and simple financial habits that work automatically. When you design a system instead of relying on willpower, wealth building becomes predictable and stress-free. If this helped you rethink personal finance and money management, subscribe to Saving Planning for practical saving tips, investing strategies, and financial freedom guidance made simple for Americans. Your future self and your bank account will thank you.